Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's bag tour is of the Vintage Coach bag called The Sling. Its style number was 9929. It was made in the early 90s in the United States, and as you can see, it's in the beautiful color purple. So this is a larger size bag in my opinion. It has a drawstring closure, which you can see here. Um, it I'm going to lift up the strap so you can see it a little bit better. It's got an adjustable strap here on the bottom as well. As you can see, here's what the bottom of the strap looks like, and here's where the drawstring closure is located. So it's a beautiful larger size bag like I mentioned in the color purple, and it's also got the matching two-sided hang tag, which you can see a little bit closer up now. It says Coach on both sides of the hang tag, and it's also got one interior pocket. This is a zip pocket here, you can see. It's also got the Creed stamped here on this pocket. Here's a close-up photo of the Creed so you can see it a little bit better, and you can see that it says that it was made in the United States. So that is the Sling, style number 9929, and this bag is available now in our online store. So if you wanted to check it out further, I will leave the link below in the description box so you can check it out there. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you next time.